Aparna's Home TV, your one-stop destination for your everyday life. In today's videos, we are going to talk about what I got in my February Ipsy Glam bag. So let's see, I got my package here. So let's see what I got. I love the bag. It looks absolutely gorgeous and perfect for Valentine's Day bag. So I absolutely love it. So let's see what I got. First product is Huda lid counter. I never tried this product, so a big thumbs up for this. I love anything brushes, so again a big thumbs up for this. And the third product is Hanali lip treatment. I never tried this, so again a big thumbs up. Fourth product is Pixie Glow Tonic. I already tried this, so I'm not too much into it, so down. Third is, last product is Koki Cosmetics Illuminating Concealer. I never tried this, so this is again a huge thumbs up. So 4 products are thumbs up and 1 product is down. So I think this is an okay box, like a great box. What did you get? Do you subscribe to Ipsy? Share with me in the comment section. And do you like what you got in Ipsy this month? If you are not subscribed to my channel, please do. It means a lot to me and you will get great videos every week. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.